what ShareInsights does is really enables the analysts and business users who are not comfortable programming and definitely not comfortable programming on an environment where you have so many different services with so many different price and performance variations over here. So in a sense, it gives it a self-service interface onto the entire S3 data lake. So all the way from creation of data to consumption of insights, all of that and the whole life cycle sort of can be executed inside ShareInsights, which gives you a single window onto your data lake. You don't have to go across any other services, you don't have to muck with code, you don't have to do any APIs, none of that. All of that is happening in a UI drag and drop environment where business users and analysts will be very comfortable in knowing what they're doing and how it's being executed and so on. I think when people start moving their workloads onto the cloud, in most cases they will pick a service which they find the easiest to understand or easiest to use. But that is not the best option. You have the complexity involved in configuring or understanding them, and you also have the additional sort of task of sort of getting the data inside those ecosystems. The other issue over here is that each of them also has a different pricing and performance characteristics, which means that upfront it's not easy for user to know how much it's going to cost on a particular service for them to run, or how long it's going to take for them to run. And what we have seen is that using a wrong service can have a huge impact on both your price and on your time. In some cases we have seen dramatic reduction, a 20x reduction in terms of price, if you just move the same workload from one service to other service. See, when users think of analytics, they really don't necessarily think of analytics in terms of like a machine learning workload or like a query workload, an ad hoc query workload, or so on and so forth. So for them, they think of in terms of data, what data sets they want to create, what visualizations they are looking for, what machine learning model output they are looking for. So in a sense, they are operating in a sort of a different world, and that needs to be mapped onto what AWS services provide. And so there is a sort of a let's say impedance mismatch in both of these things. And what ShareInsights essentially effectively does is reduces this mismatch. It allows business users sort of to work in their domain in some sense, whether it is doing data cleaning, showing them data, preparing data, whatever it may be, or allowing them to use machine learning models for doing their tasks. So in a sense, it really does the last mile bit of breaking the silos, is actually giving users visibility into the data and visibility into what analysis can be done. We take whatever the user has described or told and then choose the best AWS service for that job. So what I really see ShareInsights is giving that pull to really, from the business users and from the analyst community, to really move the data onto the cloud and really leveraging the benefits which cloud offers, which is plethora of services, great price, performance metrics, ability to turn things on and off at a very, very quick things. All of these services, ShareInsights offers them to the end user in an easy to environment, in a drag and drop environment, which really makes it easy for people to sort of get value out of their cloud investment.